The StudSensor EDGE makes stud finding fast and simple. The StudSensor EDGE finds the edges of wood and metal studs behind walls up to 3/4 of an inch thick, and its new design makes it easy to hold at any angle. Here's how to use it. Place your StudSensor EDGE against the wall. Push and hold the power button. The green ready light confirms calibration. Slide it along the wall until the edge light, spotlight, and audio tone indicate that you've reached one edge of the stud. Mark the edge. Scan in the other direction. Mark the second edge. The center of the stud is in between the two marks. If you happen to start scanning over a stud and move away, the unit's lights will blink to indicate a calibration error. Simply move the tool a few inches to either side and turn it on again. Slide the tool to find studs.